Today, I have an unboxing. I just got home, I was running some errands, and this was waiting for me in my driveway. I'm covering that up. But check this out. It is from Amazon, and it's something that I ordered for the garden. And let me go ahead and open this up. It is, and you'll see what it is, and you'll see why I'm right here in front of these. Mystic Spires Salvia that are absolutely, wow, that are absolutely growing so big, they're flopping all over the place. Wow, these things are really packed. They're garden stakes. So yeah, we're going to stake these salvia up. Hopefully they don't flop over. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, one more. What is all this? Yeah, I got home, had to run some errands. When I left, there was nothing here. When I came home, there was a package from Amazon. So, there we go. And come on, come on. And this one. One more. Okay. Oh my goodness. You think this stuff was made out of gold the way they package it. But that's a good thing. Oh, come on. There we go. Perfect. Look at these. So I've got, how many? I forget how many I bought. 6 of them. They're just garden stakes. Let me see. They are, so 10 inches wide by 24 inches high. So 2 feet tall, 10 inches wide. I think I can see, I got the 2 feet tall, although well, maybe 2 feet's perfect. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. What is that hitting? Of course, I try to do this and I hit something hard under there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, because I've got plants under here that are just not, oh, come on. Oh, that's a little better. I can also trim some of these back, I think. I was just afraid to cut them back this late in the season. Well, it's a little better. Let me try to get under here. Well, I've used 4 of them. I could probably have used all 6 of them. Come on. Wow, it is so hot out here. And the FIFA's in town. I never thought I'd say something like that. And the traffic is horrendous everywhere. Okay, that's fine right there. Let me do one more. I'm going to move this back a little. All right, check that out. I'll come in and do it a little better. I don't know if you can see, I cannot see what you're looking at because of the glare, but here they are. It's right there. I push these back. I have all this other stuff underneath here. You guys saw me plant. The Penta were being covered up. These Ajuga were being covered up. I had these other little Salvia that were being covered up, but I'm going to work on this some more and do it a little better. Maybe cut some of these out just to give these things room to grow. But anyway, wow, I need to get inside. I am burning up. That is it. That was a quick little unboxing, some garden stakes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Give me a like and a thumbs up and a heart and all that kind of stuff. All right. Thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.